Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Perect Sonic electric toothbrush for adults with 8 Dupont brush heads and 5 modes with 2-minute smart timer. It has an IPX7 waterproof rating and a 5-hour quick charge, and the charge is supposed to last for about 30 days with full usage, probably 2 times per day, something like that. Here's the box, some description. It has a rechargeable lithium battery and it comes with this charging cable. The good thing is it's standard USB-A on this side, but on this side it's a proprietary, not totally proprietary cable, but it is not standard like micro USB, USB-C or something like that. I wished it came with something like that, but I think in case it would break, it shouldn't be a big problem to get replacement for that. So here's the device. The core unit's protected with this dust cap, and we get these 8 really good quality brushes, and we get also 2 of these protection tips, which are really nice. So they protect the brush while it's still able to dry up. That's really convenient. I've never seen that, and it's pretty easy to put it on the tip here. At the beginning it's a little bit hard, so you just move it a little bit left and right, and while pushing it in, and then to take it out, same thing, you pull and then you move it a little bit around. Usually it should be possible to just pull it away. So after a couple of times, there's definitely not a problem anymore. And here we have the charging port at the bottom, and we can just push short and then we turn it on, and then it goes automatically into the last setting which you have been using. That's really good. And then it will start vibrating in this mode for 30 seconds, and then it stops for maybe half a second. Yeah, that was it exactly. And then another 30 seconds, another 30 seconds, another 30 seconds. So in total 4 times, because we have these 4 areas: left top, left bottom, and right bottom. And at the end of the whole thing, it will just stop. There's no annoying sound or so, no annoying beeping or so. Or if you want to stop before, you just long press and then you can turn it on, and you can see it goes into same setting again. To choose the setting, we just short press, and you can see it does not only have these 5 settings, it also has 3 strength settings for each of the settings here. So we start here with the gentle mode, first level, then second level, third level, and then also 3 levels with cleaning. That would be the daily normal cleaning. And then we have special white mode, 3 settings, and then polishing 3 mode, and then novice also, like for a beginner or so, 3 times. And then at the end it will also stop. So we don't have an additional start stop button, so we have to use the same button for selecting different modes and start stop. That's a little bit the disadvantage, because when we are selecting the right mode, it will already vibrate. So I highly recommend to not put on the toothpaste while you are selecting the mode. But in normal daily life, it's absolutely no problem. You have it like this, put on the toothpaste, and then you put it into your mouth and then turn it on, and it will go automatically in the setting which you are using every day, and then it will automatically turn off after 2 minutes, or you stop it with a long press here, and after that, next time it goes into same setting. So absolutely no problem. What's also good is that the spare brushes, they are single wrapped, nicely protected. This is also something which is highly appreciated. And if you want to see the instructions, I hope it's focusing nicely so you can check this out. If you want to see more details, yeah, that's already it. It's a pretty simple thing, but it has everything what we want. It's easy to use, comes even with a couple of really special extras, especially this thing here, a lot of spare brushes. And of course I've already tested it in a couple of different modes, and I really liked it. It gave me a really nice clean feeling after that, after using it. But it was also not too harsh. I've already had some other electric toothbrushes which were somehow uncomfortable and gave me some kind of a tickling sensation on my gums. This is absolutely not the case here. You can feel that it's strong, but definitely not too strong. And you can choose between the 5 different settings and 3 strengths for each setting anyway. So it shouldn't be a problem to find your perfect settings. So for me it definitely works. I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.